How to make Din Tai Fung cucumber. Din Tai Fung is known for the soup dumplings, but their Din Tai Fung cucumber salad is also one of their most popular side dishes and extremely delicious. This cucumber salad is an extremely simple dish consisting of sliced, marinated cucumbers in a delicious sweet, spicy, soy-based sauce. It comes together in just a few minutes and only requires one bowl for a quick and flavorful side dish. Ingredients: 3 Persian cucumbers cut into 3/4 inch, 20 millimeters, thick slices. Substitute English cucumbers, about 1 pound. 2 teaspoons diamond crystal kosher salt. Use half the amount if using sea salt or table salt. 3 teaspoons sugar. 1/4 teaspoon mushroom powder, optional. 3 tablespoons warm water. 1 Fresno chili pepper, optional, can substitute with red bell pepper. 2 cloves garlic, peeled and thinly sliced. 1½ teaspoon sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon chili oil. Instructions. A. Begin by preparing the cucumber and garlic. 1. Cut your Persian cucumber into 3/4 inch thick slices. 2. Add the sliced cucumber to a medium container or bowl. Sprinkle the slices with salt and toss to combine. Let sit for 25 minutes. 3. While the cucumber is resting in the salt, slice your garlic cloves into thin slices. 4. The garlic slices should be around 1/4 inch thick. 5. Then, slice the bell or Fresno pepper. If using red bell pepper, cut the bell pepper into slices and remove the seeds. 6. Hold a slice of the pepper flat on a cutting board and slice it with a chef's knife parallel to the cutting board. 7. Slice the red bell pepper close to the skin to create a thin strip. 8. Then, chop the bell pepper, skin side, into 1/4 inch wide pieces. B. Combine the sugar water dressing. 1. Pour warm water into a small bowl filled with the sugar. 2. Stir the water and sugar together until the sugar is completely dissolved. C. Dress the cucumber. 1. Plate the cucumber and top them with the sugar water mixture. 2. Add the sliced garlic and red bell pepper, sliced chili pepper if using. 3. Dress the cucumber salad with sesame oil and chili oil. 4. Finally, serve at room temperature or allow it to chill in the refrigerator to serve later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.